Okay, so next Thursday, August 23rd at 6:30 p.m. is going to be the inaugural first annual Rotary Trails to Ales trail race, followed by a craft beer tasting festival. We've been working on this for months, and it's coming out to be quite an event right now. We currently have the largest trail race in New England. We're going to max out at 500 people. We're going to cap it at 500 people to ensure it's a good event for everyone and to prevent congestion on the trails. It's a 5K, 2K, trail run, walk. Both races will go off together in the soccer field at the corner of Wallace Road and New Boston in Earl Legacy Park. The course is the cross-country ski trails. Alan Godek has been working very hard with a whole team of his cross-country ski people and as well as the Rotary members here in fixing these trails up, and they look absolutely incredible. I think it's going to be a great race. So the timeline is this: August 23rd, 6 p.m., the beer garden opens. Yes, it opens 30 minutes before the race. Who's going to be there? Pipe Dreams Brewing is going to be here. Blue Cat Brewing is going to be here. Millyard Brewing is going to be here. LaBelle Winery and Moonlight Meadery. So these are all local craft beer meaderies and wineries in the area. And they're going to be handing out we have a beer garden, and they're going to be handing out the samples of their product to the athletes and to whoever is signed up for a beer garden ticket. So at 6 p.m. the beer garden opens. At 6:30 the race begins. Both the 2K and the 5K will go off at the same time. They make one lap around Riddlebrook School, and when they enter the trails, initially about the 1 mile mark, there's a 10-foot high fork in the trail. The fork is being supplied by Louis from Nashua, and yes, it's a real fork that's 10 feet high. So at the fork in the road, you make a decision whether or not you want to go back to the beer garden and do the 2K or go out on the trails and do the 5K. We're working with Granite State Race Services, one of the best timing companies in New England. They're going to have special mats out on the course, and it'll detect which way you go and automatically move you from one race to the other. The 2K is very stroller and family friendly. The 5K is not. The 5K is a tough 5K trail race with very steep areas, and it's very dangerous for strollers out there. In fact, it's probably dangerous to even run out there, because of the steepness of it and the roots and the rocks. We've done a great job fixing it, but it's still a trail race. Afterwards, when the runners come back, we'll have a nice award ceremony. They can enjoy craft beer. Whining Butcher is bringing hamburgers, and our lovely Jay Hodes is going to be cooking them. Thank you very much. What else are we gonna have there? You want to take over from here?
We are having pasta salad from Celebrations Catering. We will also have plenty of water and plenty of Gatorade from Coca-Cola. We have fruit provided by Hannaford's, so there'll be plenty of things to eat, plenty of things to drink. One of the greatest things that comes out of this race is that the proceeds go right back into our community. We have 3 big events during the course of the year. The former road race and now our trail race is the biggest driving force within our fundraising. Some of the things that are funded from this race, not only are the local scholarships, Camp Allen, but also this year we're going to be giving back to the cross-country ski trails. So they have provided us a ton of labor. They have provided us those trails. They've gotten them in shape. Alan has spent numerous hours on working on those trails. So we're going to take and give back to those trails. And it's not only the cross-country ski team that benefits from them, it's the whole entire town. As we've been out there working on those trails, we see so many people running in there, walking in there, having fun with their kids in there. It's just a great community benefit to have.